Jambalaya is a classic Louisiana one-pot dish packed with both spices, hearty meats, and comforting rice. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. On the menu today we'll have jambalaya. It's simple, flavorful, and easy to make. Now let's begin. Making jambalaya, you need assorted protein. So in here we'll have some chicken cut up already, and as well some prawns. You can use shrimps as well. And we will be making use of sausage as well. Alright guys, these two require seasoning. So we go ahead and season them with some salt. Next is a chicken seasoning, and it will go directly to the chicken alone. Shrimps can easily absorb, so salt alone is perfect for it. Here is some garlic powder. Add some to the chicken and some to the prawns. Okay. Now the next is ginger powder. That will go straight to the chicken alone. Okay, here we'll have some mixed herbs. It goes to the chicken and shrimp as well. Black pepper, same thing. Sprinkle some in the prawns, some in the chicken. Basically season with your favorite seasonings, okay? Alright, now we're adding some paprika powder. It goes to the both. Afterwards, you spray or drizzle some oil to it and give it a nice stir. Like I said earlier, we'll be making use of sausage. You can use any sausage of your choice, okay? Make sure you cut them up before now. Okay, now we're done stirring, combining. We'll allow it to marinate for some time. Moving on to the next stage. It is time to fry the sausage. In a pan or pot, go in with your olive oil. Once it is heated, introduce your diced sausage. Please cut to your desired shape, okay? Now adjust it and allow to fry. Make sure to flip in between. Sausage on its own is tasty already, so you don't need to add any salt or any seasoning to it. At this point, it is looking golden, still soft, just the way I want it. Please fry to your taste, alright? Now let's take it off the heat. Moving on. It is time to fry the prawns. So you go on and introduce the marinated prawns. We're going to fry for a minute or two. We want it that tender and juicy, yes. So do not fry for a long time, except you want it dry, okay? It is time to fry the other side, so flip it just this way and continue to fry. Checking back, and at this point, it is ready. Let's take it off the oil, alright? Getting ready to fry the chicken, yes. Jambalaya requires a lot of frying, and that is what we're doing. Go in with the marinated chicken, fry until golden brown, and flip in between, okay? At this point, our chicken is ready. Very tasty, golden, tender, and juicy. Now let's take it off the oil. Now let's move on. In same pan, same oil, go in with your butter or olive oil, just to increase the oil because of the quantity we are making. Once it is heated, introduce your diced onions. Fry for a minute or until translucent and introduce your tomato paste. We are using 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. It depends on the quantity you are making though. Now, give it a stir and allow to fry. Hello to you that is meeting my video for the first time. You're welcome to Oma Sport. Here I post videos on how to make easy, delicious cooking recipes, baking, delectable small chops and snacks, and lots more. If it sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and subscribe and become part of the family. Alright guys, at this point we just added our blended peppers and hot chili. Okay, once you fry your tomato paste to the point where it is looking this dark, go ahead and introduce your tomato pepper mix and some bay leaves and dry thyme. Give it a quick stir afterwards and continue frying. Checking back after frying for extra 2 minutes, now let's season with some ginger powder, garlic powder, some seasoning, Cajun seasoning, and some salt. Stir everything to well combine. Feel free to ask your question. Leave it under the comment section. I promise to respond to it. Please, before now, make sure you've washed your rice and sieve, okay? Now at this point, introduce the washed rice. This is 4 cups of basmati rice. You can use any rice of your choice. If you want it mushy, that is soft or sticky, I recommend you use jasmine rice, okay? Now stir to combine the rice and the tomato sauce, okay, to give it that uniform look. And if you've watched to this extent, you've done noble, and it also means that you're enjoying this video. Please, you may consider liking it and subscribe if you haven't, alright? Thank you. Now it is time to introduce some water. If you have any broth, it could be chicken, fish, whichever stock you have, go in with it, okay? But because I don't have any, we'll make do of water. Make sure the water is a little above the rice, okay? Now is the time to taste and adjust the salt if needed. So we went in again with some salt, give it a quick stir and cover it up and allow to simmer, okay? Let me use this medium to appreciate all my newest subscribers. Guys, welcome on board. And to my returning subscribers, guys, welcome back. Thank you guys for everything you do, for coming back to watch my videos, commenting, liking, and sharing. I am very, very grateful. Thank you all. Please keep it up. So guys, if you noticed, we've added all the fried proteins, the chicken, the sausage, and the prawns. Now, sprinkle some freshly chopped parsley and nicely stir until everything is well combined. Please take your time. Do not rush. And at this point, reduce the heat. Oh my, look at that. Look at this sumptuous goodness. Guys, are you seeing what I am saying? Give this recipe a go. You won't regret you did, okay? And there you have it, guys. Our delicious jambalaya recipe is set. So delish. Give it a go, okay? And help me share it to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out as well. Now, this is where it gets more interesting. It is dish up time. It is one thing to cook and it's another thing to eat. So dish it out with me. And if you haven't tried jambalaya before, this is an opportunity for you. Just follow the steps and you're good to having it right on your dining table. Okay? All right, guys, we've come to the end of today's cooking. If you found it interesting, please go ahead and like it, share, remember to leave a valuable feedback, and subscribe if you haven't. Until I see you next time, happy cooking. Bye.